Just a few of the reasons why, when it comes to money, marriage is such a privilege. You will save thousands, tens of thousands of dollars, all kinds of money if you're allowed to be married, which is why, in my opinion, it is such a travesty that a few months ago, Proposition 8 in California passed. Proposition 2 in Florida passed. What is that about, everybody? We are taking away a birthright, if you ask me, for people to get the most out of the money that they have spent their lives working. Those people are making money. They pay taxes on the money. Every single one of us deserves to have the same financial benefits, whether we are gay or whether we are straight. And therefore, we have got to do everything we can to turn that around. Every single one of us deserves to be loved. Every single one of us deserves to love, and every single one of us deserves to make the most out of the money that we have. That's my Valentine's Day wish for every single one of us.